Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Drillman from Skibidi Toilet Multiverse. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the drill. On the top left, let's draw a small curve, and then angle it out from the top and the bottom. And let's make the bottom line a little bit shorter. And then an angle at the end to close it off. Next, let's add some curved stripes inside. Next, let's move on to the right side and let's draw a circle around the end. Then from the top, let's curve it over to the right, and the same from the bottom. And then close it off at the end with a curve. Now inside, let's draw another two curves. Now on the right side, let's start about halfway down and let's draw a rectangle shape out to the right. And then add another rectangle inside. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw another long skinny rectangle going downwards. Now inside, let's add another line at the bottom and two across in the middle. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve out, bring it down and back in. Then from the top, let's bring it out again, angle it down, back over, and up. Now inside this section, let's draw three rectangles, getting smaller as we go down. And then color these three in black. Next, from the bottom left corner, let's bring it over to the left. And then on the right side, let's draw another rectangle shape going down. And that's it for the head. Now underneath, let's draw the neck. We'll start with two lines down underneath the head here, and then a curve across the bottom. And now inside, let's draw a rectangle shape on the right. Now underneath, let's start drawing the body. From the bottom of the neck, let's bring it out and curve it down on both sides for the shoulders. And now let's move back in under the neck and let's draw a long line down on both sides for the inside of the jacket. Then let's move out under the shoulders and let's draw an angle down. And then bring it down again. And then close off the bottom of the jacket with a curve across. Now let's move inside and let's add some details. We'll start under the neck and let's draw two V-shaped points for the collar of the shirt. Now underneath, let's add the tie. We'll start with two angles down and a line across. Then let's angle it down and out underneath, and a V-shaped point at the bottom to close off the tie. Now underneath the tie, let's draw two curves across for the belt. And then for the belt buckle, let's draw two lines down and a square inside. Now let's hop out and let's draw the details of the jacket. Let's start at the top under the shoulders and let's draw an angle down and bring it in. and then a larger one underneath. Now on both sides, let's draw 4 circles down for the buttons. Now top to the sides, and let's draw a rectangle shape down on both sides for the pockets. And then add a line inside at the top. And that's it for the front part of the jacket. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. From the shoulder lines we drew earlier, let's bring it down on both sides. And then add a curve across at the bottom. Next, inside the bottom of each sleeve, let's draw another curve across. And then add 3 small circles going up for the buttons. Now underneath, let's add the hands. Let's draw a small curve from the inside. And then hop out and draw a curve down and bring it in. And then add one more curve on the inside like this for the fingers. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move in and draw the pants. We'll start under the belt and let's draw a line down and then curve it back up on the right. And then underneath, let's draw 2 diagonal lines down. And the same thing from the outside for the other side of the legs. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now underneath, let's add the shoes. We'll start with a line down from the inside. And then for the top of the feet, let's curve it out and down. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And that's it for Drillman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!